Enlighten Crow.
Learn faster. Speak like a crow.
Meeting a professor at a college. Good morning, Professor Miller. How are you doing?
Anna, good morning. I am doing well. And you?
I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Sophia. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Sophia. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office after 1 hour.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us.
Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions.
Studying for a math exam.
Hi, Emma. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a math exam next week and need to start studying. Ugh.
By the way, which math topics are on the exam?
Mostly algebra and geometry. There are so many formulas to remember.
That sounds difficult. Are you studying alone?
No, I'm meeting my classmate Sarah there in about 20 minutes.
That's good. Studying with someone usually makes it easier.
I hope so. I really want to get a good grade this time.
I'm sure you will. You're always prepared.
Thanks, Lucy. That makes me feel better.
Anytime. Maybe we can grab coffee after your study session. Sounds great. I'll text you later.
Asking about college admission.
Thank you, Professor. I really appreciate your time.
It's my pleasure. So, what would you like to know about the college?
First of all, I would like to know how I can apply to this college.
The first step is to complete the online application form on our college website. After that, you will need to submit your academic transcripts, a copy of your passport or ID, and recommendation letters.
I see. Is there an application fee?
Yes, there is a small application fee. However, some students may qualify for a fee waiver.
That's good to know. Are English language test scores required?
Yes, international students usually need to submit TOEFL or IELTS scores to prove their English proficiency.
What score do I need to be accepted?
It depends on the program, but generally we look for students with good academic records and strong English skills.
Are scholarships available for international students?
Certainly, we offer several scholarships based on academic performance and financial need.
That sounds wonderful. How can I apply for a scholarship?
You can apply at the same time you submit your college application. You will also need to write a personal statement explaining your goals and achievements.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly. I also wanted to ask about student housing.
We have dormitories on campus for both local and international students. I recommend applying early because rooms are limited. By the way, what majors are you applying for?
I'm interested in studying business administration.
Excellent choice. Our business program offers internships and practical training opportunities for students.
That's exactly what I'm looking for. When will I receive the admission decision after applying?
Usually within 4 to 6 weeks after we receive all your documents.
Great. If I have more questions later, may I contact your office?
Of course. Here is my email address and office phone number. Feel free to contact me anytime.
Thank you so much, Professor Miller. You've been very helpful.
Don't mention it, Sophia. I wish you the best of luck with your application, and I hope to see you on campus soon.
Asking for directions on campus.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the library is?
Yes, it's that way. Go straight past the Student Center, then turn left near the Science Building. The library is right next to the cafeteria.
Thanks. I'm new here, so I still get confused around campus.
Don't worry. The campus is pretty big, and many students get lost at first.
I was actually looking for my math class earlier and ended up near the gym.
That happens a lot. After a few weeks, you'll know your way around much better.
I hope so. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
catching up after class.
Hi.
Hey, how did your chemistry exam go?
Not bad, thanks. I'm just glad it's over. How about you? How'd your presentation go?
Oh, it went really well. Thanks for helping me with it.
No problem. You practiced a lot, so I knew you would do great.
I was really nervous at first, but after a few minutes, I started to relax.
That's good. What was your presentation about again?
It was about renewable energy and how schools can save electricity.
Sounds interesting. I wish I could have seen it.
Maybe next time. So, do you feel like studying tomorrow for our math exam?
Yeah, sure. Come over around 10 after breakfast.
All right, I'll bring my notes.
Great. I'll make some coffee and we can review algebra first.
Good idea. Math is definitely harder when you study alone.
True. Hopefully we'll both do well on the exam this time.
I'm sure we will if we study together.
Taking a bus at the college.
Isn't that the bus stop over there near the student center?
Yes. Oh, there's a bus coming now. We'll have to hurry if we want to catch it.
Wait for me. My backpack keeps slipping off my shoulder.
Come on, we're almost there.
Oh no, we just missed it. The door's already closed.
No problem. There'll be another one in about 10 minutes.
That's good. I was getting tired from walking around campus all day anyway.
Same here. At least we have time to sit down and relax for a few minutes.
By the way, did you finish the biology assignment for tomorrow?
Almost. I stayed up late working on it last night.
Me too. College life is definitely busy sometimes.
That's true, but at least the weekend is almost here.
Weekend plans after exams.
Hi. I'm so happy this week of final exams is finished.
Same here. I've been waiting all month for a chance to relax and get away from campus for a while.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm heading to the mountains with my cousins. We're planning a short hike in the woods, and if the weather is nice, we might go fishing too.
That sounds amazing. I'm going to Michigan with my family for a few days.
Nice. Are you taking your camera again?
Definitely. Fall is coming fast, and the leaves are already turning beautiful shades of red, yellow, and orange.
I've seen pictures of that before. It must look incredible in person.
It really does. Last year, I took some great photos near the lake at sunset.
That sounds peaceful. Honestly, after all these exams, I just want fresh air and no homework.
Same here. We all deserve a break after studying for weeks.
Next time you go in Michigan, I'll join you. I've heard it's also a great place for canoeing and hiking.
You should come. I think you'd really enjoy it there.
Giving advice between students.
Hey, you look stressed. What's wrong?
I'm really worried about my chemistry class. I failed the last quiz, and I don't know what to do.
Don't panic. It's only one quiz, and there's still plenty of time to improve your grade.
I know, but the class is getting harder every week.
Have you tried studying with a group? That really helped me last semester.
Not yet. I usually study alone in my room.
You should join our study group sometime. We meet in the library every Tuesday evening.
Really? That actually sounds helpful.
It is. We explain difficult lessons to each other, and it makes studying less stressful.
I think part of my problem is that I wait until the night before the quiz to study.
Yeah, that's probably making things harder. Try reviewing your notes a little every day instead.
That's good advice. I really need to manage my time better.
And don't forget to ask the professor questions if you don't understand something.
You're right. I'm usually too shy to speak up in class.
Trust me, a lot of students feel the same way.
Thanks, Alex. I already feel a little better after talking to you.
Anytime.
We'll get through this semester together.
Talking about a math exam.
Hey, how did your math exam go today?
It was harder than I expected, especially the last two questions.
Really? I thought the algebra section was okay, but the geometry problems were difficult.
Same here. I spent too much time trying to solve one problem.
At least it's finally over. We've been studying for weeks.
That's true. I barely slept last night because I was reviewing my notes.
Me too. I just hope I pass the exam.
I'm sure you did fine. You always study hard.
Thanks. Now I just want to relax for the rest of the day.
Same. Maybe we should grab some coffee after class.
Sounds like a great idea.
Talking about a history assignment.
Have you started the history assignment yet?
A little, but I'm still working on the introduction.
Me too. The teacher gave us a lot of research to do this time.
I know. I spent almost 2 hours in the library yesterday looking for information.
Did you find any useful books?
Yeah, a few. I also found some helpful articles online.
That's good. I'm worried because the assignment is due on Monday.
Don't worry, we still have a few days left to finish it.
True, but I also have a science project to complete this weekend.
College life can get really busy sometimes.
Definitely. Hopefully we can finish everything on time.
I'm sure we will. Let me know if you need any help with the assignment.
Giving advice about a new job.
Thanks for meeting with me during your lunch break. I really appreciate it.
No problem. I'm always happy to help. What's been bothering you?
Oh, the usual problem. I can't decide if I should take this new job or stay at my current one.
Well, honestly, I think it's time for a change, don't you?
Maybe, but I'm nervous about starting somewhere new.
That's completely normal, but you've been unhappy at your current job for a long time now.
That's true. The late salary payments have been really stressful, too.
Exactly. You work hard every day, and you deserve a company that respects you and pays you on time.
Do you really think taking the new job is the right decision?
I know so. And I've been listening to you complain about your current job for over a year now.
I guess I didn't realize how often I talked about it.
Trust me, take the job. What do you really have to lose?
I suppose you're right. The new position also offers better hours and more opportunities.
See, that already sounds much better.
Thanks, Emma. Talking to you always helps me think more clearly.
Anytime, that's what friends are for.